Oh,
Oh,
that was such perfect timing on his part. God damn it.
Flashbang out.
Ain't no way let me keep this. That's fortunate.
Oh!
nice. Oh my god.